alive. What's your cable bill? I mean, you know, what's your cell phone bill? Because you had a cell phone. And how can you say that you complain you have $200 a month to keep you alive and that's a problem? No, that's a blessing.
Wow.
Wow, she needs to get rid of her cell phone and her television.
But you're lucky. You need food and medicine?
You need a cell phone in case you...
I mean, that is really like...
In case you have a medical emergency, what, you need a cell phone?
Like, boil that all down to let them eat cake. I mean, that was just the most detached
Let them live in the house of cake. Representative
the nibbling on over the corner.
Yes.
Just eat the walls of your house. What? That's what you should pay less for health care? That's the most insidious thing I've ever heard.
Insidious.
I'm going to go eat cake.
You're an insidious.
Yeah. John Huntsman said the same thing. Out of control spending, lack of leadership, blah, 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 resulted in President Obama presiding over the first downgrade. Yes, all by himself he got to that downgrade. The important thing about John Huntsman, as you know, he used to be in a band called Wizard. His campaign seems to be going nowhere.
Save me from that. That makes Stryper sound like a good band.
I mean, you know what's weird? Even the budget monster, Paul Ryan, seems to have softened his anti-tax zeal a bit in response to the downgrade, saying he might be open to a revenue-positive tax reform.
No, he's done.
But, yeah, I know. All of the Republican hopefuls, like, no, forget it. I mean, it's just weird.
It's going to be ostracized now.
Yeah, exactly. They're going to shave that widow's peak.
Not even
give him a
P90X is going to help him out of that.
Exactly. All right, 18 minutes after the hour, we continue with Right Wing World. We have Celebrity Stack, and we have an update from Wisconsin where it is Election Day. Get out and vote. Get out and vote.